Hello guys, welcome to my channel Elite Tutorial. Today I am going to tell you 30 facts about 30 animals. This is very interesting, so let's begin. Shrimps. Shrimps are the type of aquatic animals. The important fact about shrimp is that they have hearts in their brain. It means that the brain part contains their hearts. Second, snails. We have seen snails around us, but we don't know that it can sleep for 3 years. The third is slug. Slug is somewhere different from snails, but slugs have something better than snails. That they have four noses, four receptors. Elephants. Elephants are type of terrestrial animals. These are the only animals which cannot jump. Oh, this is my favorite, pistol shrimp. Pistol shrimp is a type of aquatic animal which is found deep under the sea. The pistol shrimp is capable of snapping its claws. It means that it claps its claws so fastly that it causes sonic boom, sonic blast in the water. The water droplets, the water bubbles near it start evaporating because it flaps its claws so fastly that it causes blasting near it, and the sound reaches more than a gunshot, which can be heard many more times than the gun, almost 20 to 130 decibels. Flamingo. Flamingos are a type of birds. As we all think that flamingos are pink, but that's not really true. Flamingos are born grey. Their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae contains a natural pink dye that makes their feather pink, and the name of the dye is canthexine. Think what we are thinking is not really about the flamingo. Hummingbirds are the only birds which were very small in size, but that's not only the fact about hummingbird. One more fact about the hummingbird is that it can also fly backward. There is no other bird known which can fly backward. Another one, mayfly. Mayfly is a type of insect. It is the shortest living insect in the world. It means that it only lives for 24 hours. Think what lifespan it has. It spends only 24 hours of life. Hornet lizard, that's my favorite. Hornet lizard is mainly found in USA, America, California, in desert areas. Hornet lizard are special because they can shoot blood out of their eyes up to 3 feet to escape from predators. Koalas. Koalas are a type of they are very soft and good cute animals. But do you know one thing? That they can sleep for 22 hours a day. Swift birds spend most of their lives flying in the air and can fly for almost an entire year without even landing. Think what kind of natural gift it has been given so that it can fly for 1 year without stopping. Cockroaches. Oh, cockroaches are type of insect which is very common in our homes, mainly in our kitchens. But do you know one thing? That cockroaches can live without its heads for 1 week. Think how can you live without your head without thinking for 1 week? And one the important thing about cockroaches is that they can also be able to live on any radioactive reaction, like if any alpha, beta or gamma rays come towards it, it will not harm its body and it can live without getting any harm. Cows are very common today. We get many types of dairy products like milk, butter, etc. But do you know poo cows poo up to 15 times a day, which can be as much as 115 pounds of manure per day, or approximately 21 tons per year. Think your whole field will be like manure, full of manure without any expenses. Pandas are very cute animals, but pandas, do you know what it eats? It will cost you very much. Pandas must eat 25 to 90 pounds, almost 12 to 38 kgs of bamboos every day to meet their energy needs. Think how much bamboo does it need? Giant Pacific octopus. This is an aquatic animal which is found in Pacific Ocean. The important point about this animal, this creature, is that it has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. Whenever any predator or any prey come near it, it just axolotl. Axolotl are able to regenerate lost limbs and body organs. They are aquatic animals which can regenerate. It means that if any organ gets defected or gets detached from their body, they can easily regenerate their lost limbs or body organs. Flea. Flea is a type of small insect which is very small in size. But the important fact is that it can jump up to 200 times their body length. Imagine if a human is able to jump 200 times their body length, there will be no need of any car, bikes, etc. But think about the flea which can jump up to 200 times their body length. Male seahorse. In every organism, almost females give birth to their young ones and take care of their babies. But male seahorse goes through pregnancy and give birth to their babies. They are the only animals on earth where the male carries baby rather than the females. They are a good parent also. Puffer fish. It is a type of small fish, but it is dangerous. Puffer fish can contain a pterotoxin, a toxin that is up to 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide to humans. There is enough toxin in one puffer fish to kill 30 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. Howler monkey. Howler monkey is a type of monkey which is loudest land animal. Its calls can be heard from 3 miles away, almost 5 kilometers. Colossal squid. Squid is a type of similar to octopus but is not like an octopus. It is more overweighted than octopus. Do you know the size of an squid is almost more than 5 to 10 times bigger than an octopus. Their eyeballs are larger than the basketball or similar to a basketball. Think how big their eyes are. Ostrich. An ostrich is a type of bird which cannot fly, but their legs are so hard, so tough that they can kill a lion by their kick. They run very fastly. They can kill any tiger, lion with their only one kick. Giant anteater. Giant anteater is a type of land animal which lives on ant and termites. To meet its daily need, it consumes up to 35,000 ants and termites in a single day. Skunk. A skunk is a type of smelly animal. It really stinks. The smell of a skunk is so powerful enough for a human to smell it up to 3.5 miles, almost 5.6 kilometers away. Think if you are 5 kilometers away from a skunk, you will smell that shit. Alpine swift. Alpine swift is also a type of bird which is able to stay airborne for over 6 months without touching down. Dormouse. The edible dormouse is able to hibernate the longest up to 11 months of a year where food availability is low. How cute, but how tough his life is. Pangolins. Pangolins are very silent and simple animals. The pangolin is able to roll up into an armor-plated ball, so lions cannot eat them. They just bend round that no animals can harm them or eat them. Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile jaws can apply 5,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. It can crush the elephant's bone to powder. It has that much bite force. It has the strongest bite force of any animal in the world. Think if you get caught in that crocodile's jaws, you can never come out. Polar bears. Polar bears have jet black skin under their white fur coat. As we all think that polar bears are white, but they are not generally white. There is a black layer of skin under their white fur coats which protect them from cold and is useful when there is no food. They just get energy from that fat. Thank you for watching my video, and please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.